Today we're going to be using this Yozuri 3D crystal minnow. See how it goes. Just bought this. My last favorite jerkbait broke. Let's try this one out. Oh, well that's not good. First throw. Forgot to adjust it. Let's adjust this. Okay, let's give it a shot. A lot better. Ooh, there we go. Little mini. The smallest striper I've ever caught. What the fuck? Still got fucked up real good. Dude, he got hooked in all 3 hooks. What the fuck? The entire treble hook, all 3 hooks hooked to him. What's going on, bro? There you go, one more. There you go. Dude, the bait is like literally half his size and he still tried to eat it. Okay, you're on this little curve, this little corner.
You know those double barb fittings? Like you just slip them in inside both of lines.
Alright, I'll take a look. I'll be home in a bit.
I'll show you the fitting that I have, but yeah, I cut it, my bad though.
Alright, it's all good.
I saw it pissing out the fucking ground and I was like, oh shit.
Alright, for sure, all good.
Alright.
Ooh, there we go. Stay on. Stay on. It's coming this way. Another smallie. Bitch. Don't hook me now. Ooh, that's pretty easy. Ooh, okay, no blood. A morning catch. A little small. Let's try that spot again. I guess they like it when I twitch it like that. Reel it and a little bit of twitching. That's what I was doing. Really with jerkbait, it depends on the jerkbait. Everyone's different. Try to twitch it the same, but you know, you gotta adjust. Some of them swim differently, some of them different weights, different depth. Okay. Fish, they're just not biting. Fish right here. See it. Guess that's it. Caught 2 fish. Saw 3 fighting with my bait that didn't bite. But caught 2. Maybe the weather change got them acting up. Kept fighting the bait. They just didn't bite. But try again next time. Anyway, later, y'all.
Beta, valley, valley to bay, fishing all day. What you say? Beta, valley, valley to bay. Yeah, gonna catch a big one today.